Hi.
Hi.
How are ya?
Well, not really.
Did you enjoy your lunch?
Yeah, we already ate.
That's good.
Went to get the pickup, couldn't get in.
Yeah. One second. This is you. I'll need your name and email address right there.
Okay.
Pick the lock real quick. The lock is very stiff. I'm not sure why.
Grandpa went to stick the key in his pocket and he stuck it in the wrong pocket.
And then he put the wrong pocket inside the truck.
Yeah, exactly. I hope this is where the key's at.
Alright. Alright, thank you guys. Have a good one.
I'm not driving no more.